Hi everyone, Chris here from twovaped.com. I hope you're all having an excellent day. I know I am because of the new mech mod I've been playing with here. Now, one thing I like to do over at TwoVaped is keep an eye on the searches people are performing to try to find out if there's any products that you guys are looking for which we don't have in stock. One item has really stood out recently with a high number of searches, and until recently we haven't had it, and now we do. I'm proud to announce the Qi Yu. According to ancient Chinese legend, Qi Yu was a tribal leader with a bronze head and 4 eyes and 6 arms, each wielding crazy weapons. And in one epic battle, he blew large clouds of fog over the battlefield to help hide his army. Now, we're talking about something a little bit different today, the Qi Yu mechanical mod, but this is going to allow you to blow huge clouds and hide yourself wherever you're going. I understand today's market for clones is pretty saturated and there is a wide variety out there. It's tough to find out the good ones and the bad ones and try to see what the differences are between them. We took our time at TwoVaped and worked with our suppliers to find what I consider to be one of the best quality clones out there. It's feature complete, it's a great build, all the threading is smooth. And what we're going to do today is get up close and I'll show you guys a good tour of the device, and that way when you come over to TwoVaped, you're going to know you're getting a quality device even before you make your purchase. What I have here is right out of our inventory. You can click the link here to check it out or in the product description below. Let's take a look. And now again, it comes in this Wodafo box with a little plastic window to see the device. Normally it would be wrapped in plastic, but since I've been using this one, it's not. We'll go ahead and slide the tube out of its plastic sheath and I'll show you guys some of the features. Now the first thing you'll notice when you take it out is the Mojo logo, laser etched right into the steel on the front. Let's see if I can get the focus a little bit better there. Alright. On the back we have Qi Yu Warrior King engraved. On the bottom is the Style of Mojo logo and the version. Now the Qi Yu comes fully assembled with all of its tube extensions. It can take an 18350 battery, an 18500, or an 18650, depending on which tubes you use. And two of the main features here that everybody loves about this Qi Yu is the airflow control at the top. If you take a look at, let's see if I can turn it to show the holes. Right there we have 3 air holes, and if you just adjust this little ring on the side, you can reveal or cover those old holes to adjust the airflow that you get depending on what tank or atomizer you're using. And it has a reverse threaded battery ring on the bottom, so when you're going to lock your battery, you're not going to end up unscrewing the pin from the device. Then once it's up there, it's got a very smooth pin. You know, it doesn't have magnets, it is a spring, but you can see that's nice and smooth. And all in all, it's a really, really well-made device. So let's go in now. We're going to do a close-up shot. I'll take it all apart and show all the bits and pieces and how it disassembles and is fully adjustable. The center pin you could dial right into your tank and down onto your battery. And that's going to be great. So give me one moment. We'll get adjusted and show you up close. All right, here we are with the up-close and personal view of the Qi Yu clone from twovaped.com. What I'm going to go ahead and do now for you guys is take it all apart, show you all the bits and pieces and how adjustable it can be. Go ahead and start at the top. This is where all the fun stuff really is. We can take the airflow control ring all the way off. You can see the little holes right there. I'm going to go ahead and remove this all the way just to get everything off here and get a good look at how it goes together. Nice smooth threading on this ring. Set that off to the side. And now this big thumb screw is to adjust your 510 pin in the top. You see that'll go up and down as I screw that up and down. So when you put your tank in there, you can adjust that pin so it has a nice connection. And then the smaller one, that's to seal the connection up good with your battery so it's not rattling around inside the tube. Nice to have that adjustability so any kind of setup that you want to run is going to work. Go ahead and take this out as well. Alright, try to keep everything a little organized. Now we'll go ahead and take off the battery pin and locking mechanism. This also comes apart, so you could look at the spring on the inside there. Just a small screwdriver. Go ahead and give that a little undoing. Alright. Finish it off with my finger there. There's the button to fire the device. Press the battery up in. The spring to push it back out. And then there's the actual little bit of the bottom that presses up the battery and holds it all together. You see there's the base with the locking ring and the exhaust hole. And here's the tube. Nice and smooth on the inside, nothing to worry about there. First we'll take off the 18500 ring, the 18650 ring, and then here's the normal tube which works with the 18350 batteries. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put it all together. What I have here is a Kfun 3.1 clone, which we have on the site as well, a flat top 18650 battery, and this is the setup I've been using recently, and it's been working well. I have the Kfun built at about a 1 ohm coil right now. I've been working with a couple different builds to see what I could do with that. We just got those in the same shipment with these Qiyus. So let's put it all back together. First things first, we'll put the airflow ring on. Since I'm using the Kfun, I don't need these holes open. The Kfun has its own airflow control, so I'll tighten it up pretty much all the way. Alright. And now to make sure we have a good connection with the Kfun, I'm going to put that on first. Just like so. And then go ahead and put the pin up in to the base and make sure that has a solid connection. We'll screw this in as far as it'll go until I feel it connect with the bottom of the Kfun. There it is. Now we'll put in the battery pin. Now from experience I know with this setup I want to put the battery pin in as far as it'll go, and that'll be a pretty tight fit with this flat top battery. A button top I don't believe would work in here. Go ahead and put on the main tube, the extension for the 18650. And let's put the pin together, the firing button here. Alright. Make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. There we go. And I'll put this screw back in the top. And we'll just twist it up a little bit. Let's see, can we get it started? Let's try it like that. There we go. Alright. Oh, a little off. Let's try one more time. There it is. Just like that. Open up the ring. Tighten it up with the screwdriver just to make sure it's not going anywhere. And we're looking good on the firing button. Okay. Battery goes in. Now we might need to make a few adjustments just to make sure everything's fitted properly here. Let's see how far we can go. Alright. That's looking good. We can actually take the top up a little bit just so that'll go on all the way. And there we go. Looking good. Now let's go ahead and we'll take it back out to the wide shot and try it out. Alright, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the close-up. As you saw, the Qiyu is now in 18650 mode with the Kfun attached. I have the air holes covered because the Kfun has its own and doesn't require that. Let's go ahead and give it a quick puff and see how it does. Oh, you gotta unlock the battery ring. Always have your batteries locked when you're not using them. Yeah, there you have it. And that's 12 milligram Durasmoke blueberry cream. Absolutely delicious. Qiyu Kfun 3.1, best clones I've been able to find. Come on by 2Vape, check them out, get yours today. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you guys think about them. If there's anything else you want to see, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Chris, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.